on this here, and then on this one here. Oh. You want that one. Okay, I'm just going to take some on the brush. And then do the other side. Some on the tip. And make sure the underside is good. And it doesn't hurt to get a little bit on the shoulder, the tenon there. It's any grain, so it's not going to want to stick. Okay, now I'm just going to brush a little bit. Okay, here's why you're going to get inside the channel here. Okay. I'm going to slip it in there like that. Just brush both sides. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna. That's why that dry fit's really important. You make sure that you know how you're going to be adjusting this thing and how it's going to behave like. That's beautiful flush. That's beautiful. And so this little influence there. Okay, like that's really close to being perfect. Okay, you're just gonna go across there, and then keep nice and tight. Do it again. Keep nice and tight. Right. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. I'm just going to put the door. Make sure we feel nice and flat, which we do. This would be quite perfect actually. Keep an eye at it. Yeah, she's nice. She's beautiful.